split in BJP Manipur visible as three new entrants to the party felicitated in absence of the party president T.H. Chauba. Mudra Loan Shishu Mega Campaign under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana launched in Imphal. And Manipuri Muslims celebrate Eid-ul-Zuha with religious enthusiasm. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime News. We at the Impact News extend our greetings to the Muslim living in Manipur on the occasion of Eid-ul-Zuha. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The split within the BJP Manipur Pradesh is wide open, with Manipur State in charge MP Prahlad Patil felicitating three new entrants to the party in absence of party president Thongnaujung Chauba. Former Chief Minister Radha Binod Koijam from Thangmaiban Assembly constituency, veteran politician and former MPP leader Okram Joy from Langthabal Assembly constituency and former DGP Yumnam Joykumar were felicitated at a function held at Kakwa Lairembi Community Hall today. Welcoming the new members, Prahlad Patil said the main objective of the party is to serve the poorest of the poor and to bring about a change in the state. He said it is unfortunate that some people term the BJP as a religious party. Patil said BJP has no problem with people following different religions. Yumnam Joykumar said he joined BJP to complete the works which he could not complete as a bureaucrat. Okram Joy said he joined BJP as he believes the ideology of Prime Minister Narendra Modi that the nation cannot develop without developing the Northeast states.
करप्शन आज देश के लिए बड़ी समस्या है। क्या कोई जिम्मेदारी के साथ इस बात का अभियान चलाएगा? विरोध करना तो बहुत आसान बात है, विरोध करिए, आलोचना कर दीजिए। आलोचना से भ्रष्टाचार समाप्त नहीं होगा। सत्ता का परिवर्तन हो सकता है, लेकिन व्यवस्था का परिवर्तन नहीं हो सकता। एक व्यक्ति, एक पार्टी आएगी, दूसरी पार्टी चली जाएगी, एक पार्टी दूसरी पार्टी आ जाएगी, इससे काम नहीं चलेगा। क्या हम वर्किंग पैटर्न में चेंज ला सकते हैं? गवर्नमेंट बदलना अलग बात है, गवर्नेंस बदलना बिल्कुल डिफरेंट बात है। हम चाहते हैं गवर्नेंस में चेंज आना चाहिए।
Radha Binod Koijam, former Chief Minister of Manipur, who has recently joined the BJP, has accused the Mizoram Chief Minister Lalthan Haula of making irresponsible statements about the three bills passed by Manipur Assembly to protect the indigenous people of the state. He said it was a deliberate attempt to disintegrate Manipur. A function was held today at the residence of the former Chief Minister to formally announce his joining of the BJP. Speaking to Impact News, Radha Binod Koijam said many people from Mizoram have settled in Churachandpur. He said a chief minister of one state should not comment on the issue of another state. He maintained that Lalthan Haula should not have made such remark when violent incidents occurred in the hill districts following the passing of the bills.
मिजोरम की चीफ मिनिस्टर लालथन हावला ना नागालैंड की राज्यसभा की एमपी केकेओ सेमा मोइनगा कनो तौज थुम थाक्चल इबदो अदुम लाइबक थीबनी अदुना मणिपुर थुगाइनबगी अचौबा इंजनबा इन्वेस्टिगेशन अमु ओय मागी प्रजा की यंगा तौबने दो होय मागी प्रजा की मिजोरम की मी यामना चुराचांदपुर द लई हाइबदो अखोय चोखांगे चुराचांदपुर का मिजोरम का यामना फाउदो फाउदिन तौही कांग्रेस की चीफ मिनिस्टर ओइना सिदासु कांग्रेस ना शासन पाइरिबा कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट लेरिबा सिदा मान अदुमाइना तिकी हसलकपा अदुगा थुम थाक्चलकपदोदी फजदे तवम थोक्ते मदु इंटरफेरेंस कवी.
Radha Binod also launched the BJP's campaign for Thangmaiban Assembly constituency for 2017 Assembly elections. He alleged that the Congress government has failed to understand the aspirations of the people. He maintained that the state still faces the problem of corruption, non-employment among the youth and underground organizations. Radha Binod said he will work for the success of the BJP in the 2017 general elections to have a BJP government in the state. He also said under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the state will have a stable government and achieve progress.
ngangi chayin ablai ramado pun go kokrabanina ngasidagi kanoda Manipur punamangta BJP kankadaba ko honagadorami loina na thangwei banda aina leiriba thangwei bansida maru oina honagadorimi 2017 dadi akoi praja bu yokpa praja bu kanba laipak wayen phajana taseng na taruna tauba aduguma yam transparent oiba corruption free naharol gi oiba naharol bu semgatnabagi ahalon bu yoknabagi nupi angang singbu kanoda singkhatnabagi government ama poraknaba akoi kanno nagadoramni.
Indigenous people of the entire Northeast India have resolved to unitely face all the challenges and problems under a common umbrella. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, leaders of Sirka, Assam Sanmilita Mahasangh and Assam Apunba Meitei Lup maintain that indigenous people of the Northeast are facing a grave situation due to the uncontrolled illegal influx of foreigners. They said, though Article 355 of the Indian Constitution declared illegal foreigners as a silent aggression, yet nothing has been done to prevent it by the Government of India. Working President of Assam Sanmilita Mahasangh, Mitur Rahman said the need to unitely face the problems of influx arises as the cutoff base here in Assam is 1971 and might be applied to all the Northeast states. Spokesperson of Sirka, Ningthauja Lancha said, indigenous people of the Northeast, after holding a series of discussions, have taken 2 resolutions to unitely face the common problems facing them.
Considering the impacts of illegal migrations and population influx on the social, economic and political rights of the indigenes in the region, it is resolved to face the problem collectively by bringing together all the indigenes of the region under one common umbrella to jointly organize a people's parliament of all the indigenous communities and ethnic groups of the region with a vision to resolve all these issues and threats through a collective and unified effort.
Muslims in Manipur celebrated Eid-ul-Zuha, the festival of sacrifice, with traditional and religious gaiety and devotion today. The faithful offered Eid prayers at mosques in Imphal, Lilong, Thoubal Moijing and other places in the morning. Muslims also wished the people belonging to different communities on the occasion and wished for peace and harmony. Since early morning, people wearing new clothes prayed at the mosque. The highlights of the festival is the preparation of delicious foods in every Muslim household and sharing them with friends and relatives.
Isorda aikoi Allah gi mafamda angamba khara kathokpa laita laira punamakta araiba mina laitaba mida piraga punna nungai minaba punna harau minaba haiba pandam madugi kumbai aduni khoi bakri daire base
Manipuri Muslim tanatana Manipur da taminariba khundaminariba community khudingmak punna chaminaraga celebration nasi pangthokpani masigi maruoiba pandamdi aikoina kathokpa haibasida aikoi punnamakna aigi leijaba punnamak kathoknaraga leibaki oiba issue singdasu aigi oiba haibadu thadoga leibaki oiba as a whole Manipuri gi oiba haiba wakhalon sida pullaga aikoi punna shanti purak minnasi haiba pandam makhak mapuda nijaba asi.
World Pharmacist Day was observed at Government Polytechnic, Tagielpat. The day was jointly organized by Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Tagiel Polytechnic, Unemployed Pharmacists Association of Manipur and Manipur State Pharmacy Council. Pharmacists attending the function said their profession cannot be taken for granted as they are providing best quality medicines. As part of the function, a blood donation camp was also held in collaboration with Jennings Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, where teachers and students of Government Polytechnic donated blood.
Thawak phangdaba mayam amchu phangani Manipur gi paisa su khar kangani haibadi Manipur da gi angang mayam pharmacy si Manipur da yamna magul leitrabra haidi angang mayam se mapanda chattana tammi moina so many big kano se kari haitare capitation fee piraga diploma pharmacy, degree pharmacy as well as master tamnari ado khoi gi institution sida uplift tawbiraga di madupuna makto khoi na piba ngamgani after passing that akhoina khoi gi oiba drug controller adagi khoi gi drug testing laboratory etc si myam se loina kano tawba ngamgani.
Rural Social Service Society (RSSS) and Institute of Cooperative Management (ICM) jointly organized a training program on saving skill to generate employment. RSSS Secretary S.H. Prashojit said the training program is to improve skills of youths of the state so that they can replace non-locals. After passing the training program, the trainees will be provided with jobs. Mudra Loan Shishu Mega Campaign under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana was launched today at a function at Hotel Imphal. The campaign was launched by SBI Lead Bank Office. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana was launched on April 8 this year to help the rural unemployed youth. Mudra Micro Unit Development and Refinance Agency has 3 schemes, namely Shishu, Kishore and Tarun. Under Shishu scheme, beneficiary can avail loan up to Rs 50,000. A beneficiary can avail loan from Rs 50,000 to Rs 5 lakhs under Kishore scheme and Rs 50,000 to Rs 10 lakhs under Tarun scheme. The schemes are available both in public and private sector banks. 900 beneficiaries were given loan for the first phase under Shishu scheme today. Those who attended the function said people should take opportunity as loan is available easily. Addressing the gathering, MP Prahlad Patil said this particular scheme is for general public to generate employment.
हमारी किसी भी स्कीम में कोई कैटेगरी नहीं है। आप SC हैं, ST हैं, बैकवर्ड हैं, फॉरवर्ड हैं, गरीबी रेखा के नीचे हैं, गरीबी रेखा के ऊपर है, ये नहीं है क्लॉज। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री ने प्लान करके बता दिया, आप 18 साल के होते हैं, आप पैसा बैंक में जमा करना शुरू करिए, 40 साल तक कोई भी आदमी फिट रहता है, तब तक आप पैसा जमा करिए, 20 साल आपके पास जो कर सकते हैं आप आराम से करिए, और 60 साल के बाद में घर बैठे आप पेंशन लीजिए, ना आप सरकार का मोहताज रहेंगे और ना आप परिवार के मोहताज रहेंगे। आप बैंक के जिस खाते में पैसा जमा करेंगे वही बैंक आपको पेंशन देगा 60 साल के बाद।
Maira Paibi and people of Bamon Laikai, Mangi Makhong, Brahmapur Lalji Lakpa Laikai and Sangai Chuthek expressed their gratitude to Ningombam Helendro for lighting the bylines. Thangmaiban Hijam Laikai Women Development Organization organized an awareness program on women's empowerment at Chingapham Lampak Community Hall today. Prosecution Director Ngangom Tej Kumar spoke on the rights of women under the Indian Constitution at the event. Maring Uparuk Assembly threatened President of NIPCO Modun Maring for expressing his views on the situation in Manipur after the passing of the 3 bills by the State Assembly. United People's Front Manipur in a press release has condemned the incident and said Maring Uparuk Assembly will be held responsible for anything happens to Modun Maring. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime News. A one-day free medical camp was organized today jointly by Sainik School Imphal Alumni Association and YDC Ukhongsang at Eastern Blooming Flower School. Specialist doctors from Delhi and doctors who are alumni of Sainik School treated patients at the camp. Free medicines, X-ray and ultrasound were provided at the camp. Chief Convener of Sainik School Imphal Alumni Association, T.H. Radhesham said the free medical camp was held to provide help to those affected by the recent flood.
Recently, ising saudana Ukhongsang haiba khunjrisda sina centrally located oi haina kun taru kun teret ising saur sokiba sigi damangta akoina kitang medical facility khara phanganna bi damangta akoina masi KMC akoi sinjabani Sainik School gi ex student gi association si hana degi hona sahi kya de akoi tongan ba field education health sports tongan ba area da adum activity kya ma tawng lae aduna hana kisi health kisi akoina sreisda tawbani aduga Makata akoi activities mayam tawkini sidana tabato to jagara so akoi Sainik School ex student gi association sina activity kya am lokal lakine.
An emergency fund drive camp was held today by Ekhoigi Panthungpham ILPS, a Facebook group, to extend help to Haubijam Reeson, who is undergoing treatment at Ganga Hospital in Tamil Nadu. Reeson was injured in the right hand during the ILPS agitation. Ekhoigi Panthungpham ILPS has been extending financial help to those injured during the ILPS agitation. Samom Nanau from Uripo was provided with a help of Rs 70,000 for his eye treatment. The emergency fund drive was held at the office of Manipuri Daily, Naharolgi, Thaudang. Land Surveillance Committee Manipur in a press note stated that the difference between indigenous tribals and non-indigenous tribals in Manipur is clear. The non-indigenous tribals are intervening in the peaceful coexistence of 40 different indigenous communities. The press release also warned the smaller communities like Tarao, Kom, Koireng, Kharam, Chothe and Chiru to be aware of the non-indigenous tribals. It also called for formation of a united political platform to save the indigenous tribals of the state. The 99th birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya, who was a leader of then Bharatiya Jana Sangh, was observed today in Manipur by BJP Mahila Morcha. BJP Mahila Morcha distributed food items, toys and stationery items to the children of Dulalen Children Home on the occasion.
Pandit Deen Dayal gi mapok numit sida mipung khuding mapu manana yengbiramba ahal asigi party gi leader asigi ikai kunaba utpa amadi aikoi gi lairiba ma ibel singsina asiga sumba numit asida ngaktang oraga su khona chatlaga aikoi kai huma khara angang singsigi tawba ngambado adu matungda so kai tawba ngamnana gi damakta sigumba aikoi gi program ase kona lepsabani.
A one-day social service camp was held today in connection with the 119th birth anniversary of Lamyan Bahijam Irabot Nambol Bazar. The camp was held by Joint Students Coordination Committee. At least 100 people, including volunteers of JSCC, took part in the cleanliness program. Gloves, masks and other items were contributed by JNM's director, Professor Deben Laishram. Convener in charge of JSCC, Jayanti Kumar Khuman said the program was held in memory of Hijam Irabot, who advocated cleanliness and unity of the people. As part of the nationwide sanitation cleanliness campaign, a campaign was launched in Bisnupur district today. The 6-day campaign was organized by District Water and Sanitation Committee, Bisnupur at Public Health Engineering, Bisnupur Division Office. Bisnupur Jila Parishad Adhyaksh A. Brojan Singh said cleanliness should begin at the grassroots and students should be taught to develop the habit of cleanliness from young age. Imphal Municipal Council and PDA in collaboration with Lamphel Supermarket, Chaukhat Thaurang Nupik Loop, clean drains in the surroundings of Lamphel Sanakaithel. Imphal Municipal Ward Number 3 member Gambhi Khumbong Mayum told Impact News that under the supervision of PDA, Chairman Mangi Babu, today's drive was carried out as Mao vendors will be shifted temporarily at Lamphel Supermarket. Lamphel Supermarket Chaukhat Thaurang Nupi Loop President Saubam Ibetombi appealed to all not to throw waste in the area. She said penalty will be imposed on the persons who are caught littering the area. Gram Sabha meeting of Kaino Gram Panchayat Bisnupur CD block was held today at Thongkha Community Hall. Annual program for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme 2016-2017 and Labour Budget were prepared at the meeting. Northeastern United Clubs Organization NUCO, Eastern Unit Club, Kameng Kunjao and Nongada Boxing Academy, Nongada, under the sponsorship of Imphal East United Clubs Organization, organized a state-level symposium competition as part of the 119th birth anniversary of Hijam Irabot today. The symposium was held at Kanhai Macha Sanglen, Kameng, on nationalism, patriotism, amasung national character Sagatpada Youth Ki Thaudang. Students from different schools took part in the competition. Sahitya Seva Samiti Kaching today released 2 books, namely The Depth of Sanamahi Laihui and Sanamahi Lining, written by Dr. Nomaithem Pramodani Devi, and Masa Amasung Mami, written by Yengkhom Nilachandra at the Auditorium of Library and Information Center, Kaching. Professor Nahagpam Aruna of Manipur University spoke about the book Masa Amasung Mami. The 37th Raising Day of RPF PLA was celebrated at the PLA General Headquarters, Tactical Command, Strategic Command, 252 Mobile Battalion and other wings, department and stations and Central Bureau. The flag of the outfit was unfurled to mark the day. President Irengbam Chauren greeted the people on the occasion. The day was also celebrated in different areas in Imphal West. The result of the written examination for recruitment to MJS Grade 3 held from August 28 to 30 has been announced. The interview will be held on October 8 from 10 a.m. onwards in the High Court of Manipur. Selected candidates are asked to bring their original certificates on the day of the interview. Thangapat Apunba Loop today released fries in the Sagalban Bijoy Govinda Mode. About 22,000 fries of roe, mrigal, grass crab, katla were released. The program is organized every year under the sponsorship of Khumbong Bayum Dilip to keep the mode clean and promote fish product for the people of the state. Now the sports news. Olympic bronze medalist MC Mary Kom yesterday broke down and accused the Indian selectors of regional bias during boxing selection and trials. Mary Kom said sometimes she feels very upset as some of the referees and judges do not favor her. She said although she is from Northeast, she still is an Indian. The 32-year-old boxer alleged that Haryana's Pinky Jhangra, who competes in the same weight category as her, is being repeatedly favored by the selectors despite being beaten by the 5-time world champion from Manipur. She said, and I quote, "There are so many controversies. I always defeat Pinky Jhangra and prove it to get a gold medal in every competition, but selectors continue to support her," unquote. Mary Kom vowed that she will prove herself in the ring. The London Olympics medalist was dropped from the Indian contingent at the Commonwealth Games in 2014 and Jhangra was chosen in her place. Pinky had beaten Mary Kom in the trial of 51 kg category before the Commonwealth Games, but the Manipuri boxer claimed it was poorly judged. IGO Oinam will clash NYVA Naurem in the first semi-final match, while PBM Wangjing will play YDC Urembam in the second semi-final match of the 35th Junior Boys State Volleyball Tournament. In the quarter-final matches of the 14th Sub-Junior Boys category played today, KYVA Khoijuman beat SWYC Shantipur 3-0. NYVA Naurem beat PBMA Wangjing by 3-1. Seva Nachao beat SUWC Irengbam 3-1 and IKYC Irengbam beat YDC Urembam 3-0 to enter the semis. The semis of both the junior boys and sub-junior boys will be played tomorrow morning, while the finals will be held in the afternoon. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Volleyball Association at Khumman Indoor Stadium. LLK Chazing Karam and PFC Pishum have entered the semis of the second Jananeta Hijam Irabot Ningsing Thabum 7A side open football tournament. LLK Chazing Karam beat FFLK Kiamgai 5-4 in the quarters. In another quarter-final match, PFC Pishum thrashed First MR Football Club 6-1. 11 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Foundation for Living, Kiamgai Mamang Lekai. DFC Kayamgiri and LKCC Langthabal Khopum will meet in the first semi-final tomorrow. Singzamai Kendra Kangkhut reached the semi-final of the third Koijam Yaima Singh Memorial Kendra Wise League Cum Knockout Kang tournament. Singzamai Kendra Kangkhut defeated Wangui Kendra Kangkhut 21-20 in the quarters today to book a berth in the semis. The tournament for players of 50 to 60 years is hosted by Ibudo Wangbrim Khana Chawbak Kang Committee at Ujekon Laikon Kangsang from June 28. The schedule for the semi-final matches will be announced later. Aku Kangkhut Thangmeben trounced Nika Kangkhut Nilakuti 25-8 in the 11th Players Trophy League Cum Knockout Open Kangkhut Tournament at Sri Sri Gopal Deva Mandopia School, Jingakham Laikai. KKCO Kangkhut Kaisham Thong and LAK Kangkhut Thangmeben will meet tomorrow. A Japanese man has set a new Guinness World Record in the track and field at the age of 105. Hidakichi Miyazaki, a father of 4 and grandfather of 10, completed the 100-meter sprint in 42.22 seconds, entering the record books as the world's oldest competitive sprinter. Hidakichi Miyazaki, dubbed as Golden Bolt, said he was really moved that something like this can happen. Miyazaki's daughter Kiyono added her father had not been sleeping well leading up to this year's Kyoto Masters competition, experiencing pain in his legs. In addition to sprinting, Miyazaki also competed in the shot put event at the Kyoto Masters, marking 3.25 meters. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Split in BJP Manipur visible as 3 new entrants to the party felicitated in absence of the party president T.S. Chauba. Mudra Loan Shishu Mega Campaign under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana launched in Imphal. And Manipuri Muslims celebrate Eid-ul-Zuha with religious enthusiasm. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned for the Primetime Manipuri News and Impact News discussion show Manu Hudna. Till then, good night.